Good morning. Vlogtober, day 15. And it's kind of crappy out. Still at the mother-in-law's. We were going to leave early, and now we're not, apparently. So now we have to go to the lawyer people with the stepmom and whatnot. Ay. But that's okay. So, yeah, we got to do that now. And we're having their back porch here. I'm not a good job buddies. I'm just in the back porch. But anyway, and it's raining. I don't know if you hear that or not, but yeah, it's coming down, pouring down, raining, damn it all to hell. Did load some with the truck. Still got a lot of stuff here. So the wife's trying to get everything organized here. And it's quite the rigmarole, I'm just saying. I'm just going to say. And my face is still screwed up, as you can tell. It's half droopy, half getting better, though. I can actually move my cheek now. Anyway, still on medication for another couple of days, but yeah, so different things and stuff. Already got coffees this morning and everything, so before the rain actually started pouring. But yeah, so we're gonna go home for a couple of days and then out east again. So I'm home for a day and drive for 13 hours. So we can go see the fall colors in Cape Breton. Apparently. I don't know. Anyway, kind of our anniversary little trip kind of thing, or getaway, I guess you could say. So many things in here. Good grief. So much things in oh my god. Pouring down raining out there. Like hard, holy. Crazy. It almost sounds hailish. So just hard. Anyway. So yeah. I don't know what else to say because we're not doing too much right now. Just kind of she's in the basement looking for income tax favors for her dad who's passed away, and it's a big rigmarole. So I come out here, it's nice and cool because the furnace is on in there. It's hot, so yeah, not much of a vlog, but whatever. Anyhow, thank you for the ones that are following along. I appreciate y'all the comments and stuff. And yeah, so there you go. I guess that's another one in the can, as they say. All right, underneath.